Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating GPU drivers and preparing the game environment so changes actually take effect. Install the latest stable driver, then right-click the PES 2017 EXE and choose Run as administrator. If crashes persist, try Windows 7 or Windows 8 compatibility. Once done, disable overlays from Steam, Discord, and GeForce Experience because they inject DLLs that conflict with PES rendering. Make sure to close background recording, then restart the PC to clear driver memory and lock in the new settings. Next, you modify files and in-game settings to remove common GPU conflicts. Carefully replace only the known, trusted DX9. DLL or Zinput files required by your mod. Wrong DLLs cause black screens. Then open graphics options, set resolution to native, turn off forced anti-aliasing from the GPU panel, and set VSync to the game default. If you use custom textures or shader mods, temporarily remove them. Finally, verify game files through Steam or reapply the official PES patches to restore original executables. To finish, make sure the game loads with a clean configuration so settings won't carry corrupted parameters. Rename or move PES config files to force the game to rebuild defaults, then launch and test. If instability continues, roll back to a prior driver known to work with PES 2017. Some new drivers break older render paths. Also check GPU temperature and power delivery. Thermal throttling or an underpowered PSU produces graphical glitches. If problems remain, swap to integrated graphics to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.